Is your Ethernet connection giving you the silent treatment, leaving you stranded without internet? Let's get you back online. First things first, let's do the physical check. Make sure your Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both your computer and your router or modem. Try unplugging and plugging the cable back in firmly on both ends. Also, try using a different Ethernet cable, just to rule out a faulty one. If it still doesn't fix the problem, then move on. Next, let's check your network adapter settings in the Windows search bar. Type network connections and select view network connections. Now, in the network connections window, look for your Ethernet connection. See if it's enabled. If it's disabled, right-click on it and select enable. If it's already enabled, check its status. If it says network cable unplugged and you've already checked the cable, or has a general no internet error, then press on. Often, the problem lies with outdated network adapter drivers. Let's update them. Right-click the Start button. Then click on Device Manager, expand Network Adapters. Right-click on your Ethernet adapter. It'll be something like Realtek, Intel, or the brand of your computer and choose Update Driver. Choose to automatically search for drivers. Windows will try to find and install the latest drivers for your adapter. If that does not do the trick, try restarting your computer. If none of the above methods worked, try to reset your network connection settings. Navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet. Then on the right side of your screen, scroll down and find Network Reset. This will reset all network adapters to factory settings. After you start the reset, wait a few minutes. Your computer might restart. Hopefully, one of these solutions has gotten your Ethernet working again, giving you that crucial internet access. If despite the checks, issues persist, it's worth giving them a call.